But health leaders say a much better place doesn't mean we can get rid of the masks and the hand sanitizers just yet.
We do expect an impact from the holiday season. We've seen an impact after every other major holiday.
And we're thinking that now we have a vaccine coming, we have holidays coming, and we just can't ruin our traditions or change our traditions. And so I think a lot of people are willing to take the risk.
The fear now being the weather is colder, drawing people inside to gather.
It's really these indoor gatherings that we're very concerned about, and especially as we're going into the Christmas and New Year's season. Where it gets colder, and if people get together and someone unknowingly brings COVID to the gathering, that's a recipe for potential disaster.
Though we may be seeing light at the end of the tunnel with a vaccine on the horizon, that tunnel is still somewhat long.
It's going to take a very long time for everyone to actually benefit from the vaccine to where we can actually start living normal lives again.
It would be a shame for people to, you have people, vulnerable people who get sick in this interim period. I mean, if they can hold out and then they get the vaccine, then we're all going to be much better off.
What I've noticed that seems to help myself, and me working in the field, is definitely seeing and hearing more stories about people who have contracted COVID. I think when we're far removed from actually knowing people who have contracted COVID, then we almost can't believe it's real.
But to those with cancer, more compromised immune systems, they can't afford to get COVID-19.
They see so many people who are too relaxed in the community, who aren't wearing masks or who aren't wearing them properly. And they were so sad because they were thinking, if they can't do it for themselves, please do it for me.
Psychotherapist Monty Miller says we should think of this as a lifestyle to make it easier. That means getting in the habit of leaving things like masks and hand sanitizer in common areas.